When we first looked at all-in-ones, we went all out with premium features, innovative design, and with that comes cost. They can get quite expensive. So does that mean if you only want to spend a reasonable amount of money on an everyday all-in-one Windows 10 PC, you're going to end up with a clunker? No, not at all. Take a look at a few seconds of these titles. When you get back, we'll take a look at this Dell. Here we have the Dell Inspiron? I've never been sure how to say that. Inspiron 5490 all-in-one PC. This is our everyday all-in-one PC of choice, so let's get the reason it's everyday out the way. It's got an Intel i3 10th gen processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, lovely, lovely, lovely. Cost us at the time around the £600 mark. Of course, that might be different when you watch this video. Hell, it might be 4 years in the future for all I know, in which case you're even further ahead than where we are now, so hi, if that's you. So with that out of the way, what makes this modern? Well, first we've got this screen. This is Dell's Infinity Edge Full HD display with just an 8mm border that looks great regardless of how you look at it. You've got great stability with these stands, a front-firing soundbar, and space efficiency is lovely, as you can just grab your keyboard and pop it back here if you just want to make that nice and neat for yourself. It's lovely. The term all-in-one is then taken even further with a feature that has become very popular in PCs over the last few years. We even saw it in one of our Lenovo all-in-ones that we've already looked at. It's the wonderful HD pop-up webcam. So if you're worried about someone getting access to your camera, well, if it's down, the most they're going to see is a very dark close-up of its internals, and that's about it. Stuff like that makes all-in-one so appealing. Yes, with a tower you have the freedom of choice to go with whatever type of monitor you want, and all your wires can be hidden below the desk if that's where you have it. And you can choose the quality of webcam as well. But there's always a magnetic appeal about getting a single unit out, plop it on the desk, plug it in, and you're away. Screen, sound, keyboard, mouse, webcam, you've got everything you need in one package. So for instance, I use Microsoft Teams quite a lot, so I can pop that webcam out. I can go and start a call, say with Nigel, who happens to be behind the camera right now, and within your settings there is a brilliant feature where you can blur the background of your webcam feed regardless of the quality of camera that you're using. So if you've got a messy office, or your office is a bedroom or it's a living room and you don't really want to show the background, you're in the clear as you can just keep the focus on you. When you're done, you just push that webcam down, there you go, seamless. And all of that is what is relatively still a slim looking PC, and I've not had to spend thousands on it. Now if that isn't appealing, I don't know what is. That's all today. Let us know what you think of this Dell. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and as always subscribe to All Things Microsoft for much more. See you around.